Hi everybody, happy Tech Tip Tuesday. Melissa O'Connell here, your Lexus technology specialist. I have a really quick tip for you today about seat calibration. If you have a vehicle with driver position memory and the seat position is not saving correctly, you may want to recalibrate your seats. Also, if you ever adjust a seat position on a vehicle that has driver position memory and you hear this, you definitely need to recalibrate the seats. If you move a power adjusted seat and you're hearing beeps like that, it means that the seat is not calibrated. Then the memory position can't be saved. You may have some adjustments that move without beeping. Well, that's all right, but we need all of the adjustments to move without beeping, so we're going to recalibrate every possible position. Here's how. Push the button until you're at the maximum point and slowly count to 5. Then go to the opposite adjustment. Come all the way to the end of that adjustment on the seat track. Slowly count to 5. Now, do the next one, each position. So we'll bring the front of the cushion all the way down, count to 5, bring the front all the way up, slowly count to 5. You may also hear this process referred to as Seat Initialization. And we'll do the same thing with the hip point of the seat. We're basically just letting the system know where the end point is for each possible adjustment. All the way down, count to 5, all the way up. Keep holding, count to 5. Now, the seat back. All the way forward. Count to 5. And all the way back. I know it's not beeping, so that means that maybe it's already calibrated, but I'm a little paranoid, so I'm going to go for it. Do the whole process. Keep going all the way back until it stops. Keep holding the button, count to 5. Let it go. Since lumbar support is not part of the driver position memory saved settings, you don't have to calibrate the lumbar adjustments. All right, let's see if we got it all. If your vehicle has a seat cushion extender that brings the front out, you'd want to do that. Basically, any button that you see, you want to go in any direction, it will go forward, back, up, down, you name it. Now, let's test it out. No more beeps. No more beeps. Our seat is calibrated. Woohoo! No beeps? You're good to go. Now you can save your driver position memory. Well, thanks so much for stopping by the Lexus Virtual Classroom today. It's so great to have you join us. Thanks again for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.